In this video, I will show you how to save your avatar after you've made some customizations on Roblox on your PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here on my PlayStation 5 dashboard. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Roblox. And what you want to do is come up to the top. And if you look in the middle, you've got the avatar option here. So just press X to go to your avatar. And this way you can come to customize your avatar. You can see we got the marketplace, so you can go into the marketplace and of course buy different items for your avatar. And once you've done that, you want to come to the customize option here, and then you can go ahead and start customizing your avatar. So similar to the PC and mobile versions, as you can see, we got the different categories at the top, like head and body, clothing, accessories, and so on and so forth. What you want to do is go ahead and make your changes. So say I wanted to add this hat to my avatar, for example. So I'm just going to add the hat there, and I'm just going to take the hair off as well, because it looks a bit silly because it keeps the hair on. So I'm just going to untick the box. So you can see we've taken the hair off and we've added the hat. Now to actually save this, what happens, it does actually save automatically. So you'll see if I actually come out of this screen and I go back to the avatar main menu, and you can see it's updated here. And if I go back to home, and then what I'm going to do is come back onto avatar, and you can see that the changes that I made have saved. So that's how to go ahead and save your avatar after you've made some customizations on Roblox on your PS5. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.